Hello beginners of crochet. Today I'm going to show you how to make magic loop or magic ring. Insert the yarn between the small finger and the ring finger, then between the index finger and middle finger. Turn the yarn around your inch and back to the small finger. Insert the hook from below at your inch into the loop from above at the index finger and back from above at your inch. Hold the loop tight, but don't make it tight. The tail of the yarn, you must keep it this way, like this. Make 2 chains, and we can make half double crochets, for example. So make, for example, 10 half double crochets. Insert the hook into the loop. So continue working half double crochets like this. If you think the loop is too big, just pull the tail of the yarn only a little. You can use the magic loop for making hats, for example, or toys. So it's very good to know it. So we have 10 half double crochets. Now pull the tail of the yarn and make it tight. There shouldn't be any hole. Join the ring with a slip stitch. So that's all from tutorial magic loop. I hope the video will help you. Thank you for watching, have a great day and see you soon.